Good morning, students. Welcome to our new session. Today we will move forward our remaining exercise in unit number 5, the summit within. Question number 2, write a sentence against each of the following statements. Your sentence should explain the statement. You can pick out sentence from the text and rewrite them. The first one has been done for you. Here, first answer is given. The experience changes you completely. Now here, the answer is one who has been to the mountains is never the same again. एक बार जब कोई माउंटेन पे जाके वापस आता है तो वो फिर से पहले के जैसा नहीं रहता. The experience changes him completely. Now, number 2, man takes delight in overcoming obstacles. The answer of number 2 is the demonstration of endurance, persistence and willpower in overcoming great difficulties delightful. Number 3, mountains are nature at its best. The answer of this one is the beauty and majesty of the mountains pose a great challenge for a climber and they are a means of communication with God. जो माउंटेन है वो गॉड से कम्युनिकेट करने के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा सा मीन्स है. Number 4, the going was difficult but the after effects were satisfying. The answer of this one is climbing the mountain was difficult, but reaching the summit gives one a feeling of satisfaction and deep fulfillment. We have to write the sentence which should explain this statement. Now number 5, the physical conquest of a mountain is really a spiritual experience. The answer is the physical act of climbing to the summit of a mountain is similar to the act of climbing the mountain within yourselves, which is a spiritual and deeply satisfying experience, and either climb will certainly changes you, giving you a sense of being in communication with God. Now, next exercise. Fill in the blanks in the following dialogues, choosing suitable phrases from those given in the box. Now here you can see some phrases are given in this box. What we have to do? We have to fill the blanks in the dialogues choosing appropriate phrase. Number 1, teacher said, you were away from school without permission. Go to the principal blank and submit your explanation. So here in this blank we will write the phrase as at once. At once. We will choose this word from this bracket. Now pupil said, yes madam, but would you help me write it first? Number 2, Arun said, are you unwell? इला से नो, नॉट एट ऑल. अरुण इला से पूछ रहा है कि क्या तुम अच्छी नहीं हो, तुम ठीक नहीं हो. इला बोल रही है नो, नॉट एट ऑल. वाई डू यू आस्क? सो हियर इन दिस ब्लैंक वी विल राइट एट ऑल. वाई डू यू आस्क? अरुण सेड, इफ यू वर अनवेल आई वुड सेंड यू टू माई अंकल, ही इज अ डॉक्टर. Number 3, Mary said, almost every Indian film has an episode of love at first sight. Love at first sight we will write in number 3. David said, is that what makes them so popular in foreign countries? Number 4, Asif said, you look depressed. Why are your spirit at a low ebb टुडे? क्या बोल रहा है आसिफ? अशोक से बोल रहा है कि आज तुम बहुत ही डिप्रेस लग रहे हो. क्यों? आज तुम्हारा जो स्पिरिट है वो कम है. अशोक सेड, आई हैव टू राइट 10 sentences using words that I never heard before. So in the fourth blank we will write this phrase at a low ebb. Number 5, Shaiba said, your big moment is close at hand. Jyoti said, how should I welcome it? Shaiba said, get up and receive the trophy. So in the fifth blank, we will write the answer at hand. At hand means easy. Your big moment is close at hand. Close. Nazdik. Now, Jyoti say, how should I welcome it? Shaiba say, get up and receive the trophy. Next exercise. Write the noun forms of the following words adding A-N-C-E or E-N-C-E to each. Here some words are given. Now we have to add suffix A-N-C-E or E-N-C-E and then write the answer. So first one is given endure. Endure means bearable. So यहाँ पे जो endure है उसके पीछे हम suffix ऐड करेंगे A-N-C-E. We will add A-N-C-E at the end of this word and we will remove E from this word. Then next, persist. Persist is given. Now here in this word we will add E-N-C-E at the end of this word. Number 3, signify is given. Now for making noun from signify, we will add I, we will remove I and add I, then add C-A-N-C-E, significance. Now here, confide is given. Now for making noun of this word, we will add E-N-C-E, confidence. Then maintain is given. Now here in this blank, we will add E-N-C-E. The noun form is made maintenance. And last, abhor is given. Here we will add A-N-C-E. Next exercise, match the words under A with their meaning under B. Remote. Now remote means far away from, बहुत ही दूर. Then means method. Dominant means most prominent. Formidable, which means difficult to overcome, and then overwhelmed, it means be overcome. Overwhelmed means अगर हम कोई भी चीज़ से जीतते हैं, overcome आते हैं और overcome होते हैं, it's called overwhelmed. Number 2, fill in the blanks in the sentence below the appropriate words from under A. Number 1. There were blank obstacles on the way, but we reached our destination safely. रास्ते में बहुत सारे ऑब्स्टेकल्स जो थे वो ओवरकम करने के लिए बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट थे, फॉर्मिडेबल थे, फिर भी हम अपने डेस्टिनेशन पे सेफली पहुंच गए. सो हियर इन दिस ब्लैंक वी विल राइट द वर्ड फॉर्मिडेबल. Number 2, we have no blank of finding out what happened there. So here in this blank we will write means. Number C, why he lives in a house remote from any town or village is more than I can tell. So here the answer is remote in the third blank. Number D, fourth, blank by gratitude. We bowed to the speaker for his valuable advice. Here in this blank we will write overwhelmed as answer. And last one is given, the old castle stands in a blank position above the sleepy town. Now here in this blank we will write dominant as answer of this blank. The old castle stands in a dominant position above the sleepy town. So that's all about all the exercise of this lesson. Bye everyone.